In the provision of world-class healthcare, every advancement matters. At Health City Cayman Islands, innovation has always been one of the hallmarks of our healthcare services. Today, we're proud to introduce the CORI Robotic System, a groundbreaking addition to our Orthopedic Center of Excellence. This robotics-assisted technology is changing how knee replacements are performed. The CORI system enables surgeons to create a detailed, real-time 3D model of a patient's knee, allowing for an unmatched level of accuracy and customization during surgery.
So this is the base of the machine. It works with an infrared camera that emits infrared radiation. We put infrared reflectors on certain specific instruments of the system that help us recreate not only the deformity of the patient, but also in real time, the virtual surgery that the doctors perform on the screen here prior to committing to anything on the patient. So we do virtual surgery on the screen, and once everything looks perfect, then we replicate that in the patient's anatomy. In reality, it's creating a real-time, immediate GPS, if you will, triangulating the patient's anatomy with our instruments and our implants so the doctors can make a much more precise job.
So the system is very precise. It leads to less human error. So you can be more precise as a surgeon.
Unlike traditional methods, CORI doesn't require a preoperative CT scan. This means less exposure to radiation for the patient and faster pre-surgical planning. The system's ability to guide precise movements during surgery ensures optimal implant positioning, reducing recovery time, and improving long-term outcomes.
The traditional system usually are excellent and they give very good results, but once in a while there are outliers which can be avoided with the advanced system like this.
This is more than just advanced technology. It's about enhancing the patient experience, giving individuals with osteoarthritis or other knee conditions a smoother recovery and a better quality of life.
It's something that I see as the future of joint replacements.
At Health City Cayman Islands, being at the forefront of patient care means embracing tools like the CORI system to deliver the best possible outcomes. Together, we're redefining what's possible in orthopedic surgery.